my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
Yo, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I'm in a different environment actually, and that's because I'm in the process of moving into a new house. This is the new house. This is where we're gonna see the vlogs. The car is probably gonna be parked right here. We're still moving a lot of stuff into this house, so you know, just bear with us. We gotta get everything moved in, but today we have a new video for you guys. So yeah, before we start, I want to send a huge shout out real quick. We're gonna stop real quick and just give these guys a huge shout out because they help the channel out so much, and I really appreciate these guys. So first of all, I want to send a huge shout out to my boy Michael Key, aka US Army Strong. That dude's donated quite a bit of cash to the channel and helped us, you know, secure the bag on this, the new clutch and other stuff like that. I had to pitch in my money for my own flywheel and stuff like that, but he contributed a lot into this clutch right now. So Michael, thank you so much, man. You don't understand how much I appreciate it. So yeah, shout out Michael. And then the second guy I want to shout out is Andreas Roth. You guys have talked about him before. He donated $100 I think the last time for the Nitrous install, and then now he donated some more money just out of the kindness of his heart. So you guys, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. It's crazy that there's people out there like you guys that are down just to help me out and stuff like that. And I do this for you guys, man. I'm not just gonna, you know, stop filming and stuff like that because you guys want to see the channel, you guys want to see it grow. That's what we're gonna keep on doing, man. So like I said, we're at the new house. So right now the Mustang is still at the other house, so we are waiting for my buddy to come pick me up right now. We're gonna go over there, get the packages, show you guys what's actually in the package, and show you guys everything I got for the transmission, and then we will we're gonna head our way to Ford, go drop it off, and drop it off to my buddy Mark that did the Nitrous install. He's actually gonna do it for us, and he gave us a pretty good deal, so that's good. Yeah, man, let's just wait for my buddy to show up, and then we will head that way. Have a lot of stuff to show you guys, man. I spent close to like $1,200 on all this stuff, man, so hopefully it's worth it. This is all gonna go hand in hand with that 150 shot. Cannot wait for that, man. I think we have to put like 500 miles on this clutch before we do anything. So you know, I go to work every single day. Work's probably about like 30 miles from me. I'll be driving the car to work back and forth, so we could rack up those miles pretty good. And there's a lot of stop and go traffic, so that'll be good for the clutch break-in, and then we can start getting some races in, man. I cannot freaking wait. So, oh, and by the way, I'm sorry for last week's missed upload. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice. I'm barely getting over the flu, man. I was so sick, and I've been working, and you know, it's just been really bad for me. So finally back, man. 4.6 is back on the grind, so let's get it, man. Let's go to the new house and check out what we got.
What's up, baby?
It was about time, bro.
Whoa.
It took forever.
Sorry, G.
Kind of smells in here.
For real?
Yeah.
What smell like throat?
Alright guys, so we're finally back. As I told y'all, we're at the old house and there's a garage, so we're just gonna leave it down, and the wind isn't bad right now, so we should be good on wind noise. But I guess we'll start unpackaging. This is obviously the flywheel and the clutch, and I want to check it out, make sure everything's in here, make sure it's the right one before we take it over there. Like I said, we're about to take it over there right now, so we're gonna check right now. Let's see what we got. Oh. Okay. So this is all in piece. We're packaging my LMR. This is our lightweight billet aluminum flywheel right here. This thing is gonna be freaking awesome in the car. Supposedly they say that this speeds up the revs, and it gets real rev happy with the lightweight. This thing is literally not heavy at all. So I think the clutch actually weighs more than this by itself. pretty self-explanatory. Flywheel is like $380 by itself, so hopefully it's worth it. I could have got a steel one for a lot cheaper, but I've heard great things about the billet aluminum, so that's why we went that route. So this should be the flywheel. I mean the clutch actually. This thing, yeah, bro, is a lot heavier. And the flywheel. Oh, got a nice little sticker going on. Yes, sir. Gotta take that one out before my mechanic jacks it for me. I wish all of this wasn't vacuum sealed shut, so I could take every part out and show you guys. As you guys can see, this is the pressure plate. This clutch is freaking beautiful. It's sad that you'll never see it again, but once it goes in, it's gonna be amazing. Throwout bearing is already in here, and pilot bearing also, so that's good. This is actually the stage 2. I know you guys heard me say I was gonna go to stage 3, but the stage 3 is rated for like 670 foot-pounds of torque. This one is actually rated for like 570 or 540, something like that. So it's a stage 2. I went down a little bit because I'm not gonna be pushing that much torque in the near future. So I wanted a good clutch feel just in case I want to drive the car around and it won't be killing my leg. Because as you guys know, the driving experience is everything. So I don't want to be killing my leg when I don't have to. This clutch should do great for what we're doing with the 150 shot. Maybe built motor in the future. You know, only time will tell. But I think this clutch will do perfect. So this is a spec stage 2, billet aluminum flywheel, and then in this box over here we have all of the stuff that we need actually for the install and for the transmission. So we'll check that out right now. This clutch is gonna be nasty, bro. I'm telling you.
How nasty?
Nasty. So this is everything else, and as you guys can see, this is all we got right here, and this was like $1,200. So hopefully it's worth it. But I don't think I've opened this yet. Let's see. Did I open this? Open it for you guys on camera. I believe this is the clutch fork right here. Alright, so this is our new clutch fork. Oh, we got some more stickers. Lit. This is our new clutch fork right here. Brand new from Ford Racing. I think we could have reused it, but when I'm going through all this trouble, why not, you know, just do new parts? And, you know, why want to run into that trouble of, you know, actually pulling the transmission all the way out just to replace the clutch fork when I'm already there. I've actually got the pivot stud too for the inside of the transmission. This was cheap, might as well do it. And preventative maintenance again, brand new part from Ford. This is the rear main seal. Make sure your car doesn't start leaking and then you have to pull the transmission out and do all that shit again. So a lot of preventative maintenance parts, but you know, it'll save your ass in the long haul. So all right, and then we have our flywheel bolts. ARP, you know, the best people for bolts out there. Ours is only a 6-bolt flywheel, so we can have the 2 if we ever go 8-bolt flywheel in the future with the 8-bolt crank. So they gave us 8, that's good. ARP bolts are gonna hold it together. You guys know what these are right here. You know, we've been talking about this for the longest time. I went ahead and ordered these also. These are the 150 pill jets from Nitrous Express. I can't freaking wait. I'm honestly scared. I'm scared as hell. I've used Nitrous for a long time already. The car's already had like 3 bottles put through it, but I'm just about as nervous as the first day we hit the Nitrous. So it's only 50 more horsepower, but you never know. You know, the clutch has got to, the clutch is gonna be good, but the tune has to be there. And this is actually the throwout bearing that goes in the clutch fork. I think I said that the clutch came with a throwout bearing, but it didn't. It came with a pilot bearing, so I had to order this. So this is a new throwout bearing from Ford Racing as well. And then this, I think I opened this. And this is our new clutch cable right here. This is also from Ford Racing. You know, you got that steel clutch quadrant now instead of that little plastic little baby one. So this is gonna be longevity for the hard shifts and stuff like that. You know, just a packaging info. And then this is our new clutch cable, as you guys can see. So he's gonna do all this. You gotta disconnect all this anyways to get to the transmission. So might as well throw a new clutch cable in there so we could be good to go. That is about all we got. I don't think we're missing anything besides like fluids or something like that, but he'll just, you know, take them out of Ford and then I'll just pay him the whatever we got. So hopefully we have everything. I went over the packaging slip when it came in, and I think we do have everything. It just doesn't seem like a lot for the price we paid, but we should be good, man. So right now we're gonna start up the car. We haven't drove the car in forever, so we're gonna start this up, head to Ford, go drop it off, and You know, only time will tell how long he takes. It shouldn't be that long. He said he's gonna do it on the weekend, and I'm going back to work in a couple of days, so I don't need the car here. It's taking up space in my sister's house. Yeah, drop it off, and then after that, it'll have a new home at the new house. So, yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna head to Ford right now. Go drop off the car, like I said, and then we'll pick it up when we get over there. Alright guys, in the Mustang. Finally, I haven't drove this car in forever. I'm surprised the clutch held on for so long, to be honest. This clutch has 116,000 miles and probably about 10,000 hard miles, like racing in and stuff. So I'm very thankful for this OEM clutch. It's been pretty good, but now it's time to upgrade to a big boy clutch. So thank you guys so much. It seems like every time we upload, man, we're just growing and growing and growing in the subscribers count. And you know, I just want to thank you guys so much, all you new subscribers. You guys that are watching this video for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. We're going places with this channel, man. I cannot wait to get back out there on the streets, man, and just, you know, just start racing again. This car's gonna be a beast on 150 shot, definitely. So we're gonna break that 400 wheel mark. Probably put it on the dyno, see what it makes on 150 shot. See how much torque this thing makes. I want to see it hit at 500 foot-pounds of torque, but you know, we'll see. So stay tuned, guys. We're on the way right now to the Ford. Yes, sir. When we get there, we'll pick it back up. All right, boys. This is where she will reside, just for a little bit. Yes, sir. Next time, she will have a new clutch and be all ready to go. Yeah, I think he might have took off already. Alright guys, so we finished dropping the car. What's up? So we finished dropping the car off, man. My guy had to take off, so I just left the keys in his toolbox like you guys saw. Car will be done, you know, very soon. He said he's gonna do it on the weekend, so I was supposed to drop it off the other weekend, but I was actually sick, dead in bed, so I wasn't able to do that like I told y'all. So today's Monday. The video's going up tomorrow, this video, but he should be getting to it very soon. If he has any time, he said he's gonna knock it out real quick. Should take no longer than like an hour and a half. I would love to do it for you guys and record it, but to be honest, I'm just so busy and I have only 2 days off, and it's like barely like 1 day off. So I don't have a lift. I'm not really trying to do it on jack stands, and for the price that he's doing it, I'm just gonna give it to him, man, and make sure it's done right and I won't have any issues. Cannot wait, man. I cannot wait for this car to be back. So without further ado, man, that's gonna go ahead and do it for the video. Next video, we will be picking up the car. Not sure if we're gonna be picking up the car or I still have another video in mind, so stay on the lookout for the next video, man. We're probably gonna be picking up the car and then starting the braking miles. We're gonna feel how that new clutch feels, man. I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support, man. I really, really appreciate it. I was telling these guys earlier, every single time we post a video, it's like the subs keep on going up like 100, but like hundreds.
Dang, for real.
It's lit. So thank you guys so much. Like I said, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We'll see you guys next time. Mr. Boy, 4.6 Chris. We're out, fam. Peace.